Alright, hi guys, we're back. So this is the acrylic PC case, now fully disassembled. So here are some of the things that hold it together in the corners. So this is the bottom, top, front, and back panels. And these are the side panels. I wiped them up with some glass cleaner, and the sticky parts I used alcohol. The PCI slot and the slot for the back plate, I cleaned it up a bit. It cleaned up fairly well. It's made of aluminum, soft aluminum, but it cleaned out pretty well with just a rag and some glass cleaner. So we'll put this together in the coming days, not sure when though. Here are the screws and the front I/O with the buttons. Still not sure if I need to buy new screws. I think I just might reuse what is here. One funny thing is that the front panel is actually was actually installed backwards, and I'll show it to you guys later on when it's assembled. I'll put it on the right side this time. I just realized it while I was cleaning this thing, because as you can see, the slots for the buttons, the USB, and the audio, they're supposed to be on the right side, but you can see the sticker is facing on the other side. So this was installed flipped. Sorry, this one is installed flipped. So the sticker is, when the sticker is facing right side up, the I/O ports are on the left side. So anyway, you'll see that when this thing is assembled. So it cleaned up pretty well. So yeah, let's see how we can clean these. The cables probably need a little wiping for the front I/O and buttons. For the standoffs, they're still okay, but the screws are rusty. I still might need to buy replacement screws anyways, so I'm not sure if I should replace the screws with the plastic caps with something that is all metal, preferably stainless steel. It's not that expensive to get 50 pieces, but still thinking if I really need to replace it, because the heads of those screws that I will be purchasing will not be this wide. They won't go. They will be able to hold the PC together, but not sure though. Alright, maybe I will before I reassemble before I reassemble this, so I just need a place to store it so that it will not be dusty when the time comes for me to assemble it. Maybe put it in a big plastic bag. It can be stored fairly compact once it's disassembled, but once it's assembled, it's as bulky as any other PC case. So that's it, guys. This is a quick update for you. I used glass cleaner to clean the surfaces of all the panels. I did not wash them. I did say I'm gonna wash them in the previous video, but glass cleaner works and it dries up pretty quick. So yep, I consider this clean. Just put it back together. Maybe put the power supply and the motherboard and see how you could probably, you know, put some more use into this clear acrylic PC case. It's no longer a thing nowadays because most PC cases now have tempered glass anyway, so you can see on the inside. But for this type, you can see everything. There's no hiding the cables, well, there's no cable management to speak of anyway, so you will see everything. How the cables are routed, what's attached to what drives are installed, stuff like that. So see you on the next video. Once again, enjoy.